So I started growing my tower at the beginning of the COVID lockdown. So about 40-ish days ago. Not everything started directly from small seeds. Like some of the more mature salads in here, the most mature chard had already started, but then like this wild arugula has just been thriving. That was just a tiny little bud. You see here the salad tree is becoming mature, and maybe a salad tree is just something that is Nutri-Tower related, like the way that it might just be growing in the cocoa pod like that. It doesn't really have another way of growing. I don't know. See, here's a more mature salad tree, but they've been providing a lot, I gotta say. And look how healthy and fresh. This is super crunchy. Then I've got this buddy here. I'm not quite sure what that is, but I hope it's gonna flower soon. I don't think I can eat it, but that was also a rescue from the office before quarantine. This little basil here is I'm trying to rescue it from a small batch from the grocery. You can kind of see there some new little leaves. Here's another from seed basil that I'm trying. I think I gotta be patient. There's just some stuff. And then, yeah, more salad again. This is mustard seed. I don't even know if I'm saying this properly, but it's growing really well. It looks like arugula. And here's my basil that's been growing nicely and giving me a lot of basil. Some sick stuff here that I'm probably gonna remove soon. I think here, this is my pride and joy. My pride and joy. Here. That's my pepper tree. And I love my pepper tree. Look at that. He's very healthy, growing nicely. At the beginning, some of its first leaves looked sick, so I took them off, and honestly, that was the right move. And yeah, guys, it's been one heck of an experience having a tower. Yeah, really cool. And I get to eat and add, fresh leaves to most of my meals. Oh, and the last thing I've been doing, I want to show you guys, is I've been regrowing these green onions. So you can see like this one here. I've cut twice and now there's a new growth here. But the roots are really impressive. A lot of roots. I'm liking this experiment of regrowing food I bought at the grocery store. A lot, actually. Regenerative grocery shopping, My own circular economy type of deal. All right, well, that's my tower. Thanks, guys. Well, thanks, I don't know.